Kiwate, and today I'm going to show you how I did my Tech Demo 3 in Desmos 3D Graphing Calculator. First, I typed x squared plus 2z squared is less than or equal to y, which is less than or equal to 18 minus x squared in the first line. And here I have x is less than or equal to 0 in curly brackets, and that's because you want to type it as a chain inequality with a set restriction so that Desmos only keeps the left half of the shape. So here you can see that we have our restriction and we have our region. So you see we have a half bowl and the bottom surface is y equals x squared plus 2z squared, and the cap is y equals 18 minus x squared. And the flat face is the plane x equals 0. Part 2, we were given our point radical 2 is less than or equal to rho, which is less than or equal to 2, and the radius is greater than or equal to 1. Since Desmos uses Cartesian coordinates, we had to rewrite r as square root of x squared plus y squared and rho as square root of x squared plus y squared plus z squared. This can be typed in a single line as the inequality 2 is less than or equal to x squared plus y squared plus z squared, which is less than or equal to 4. Then we need to set a restriction, and so we'll put x squared plus y squared is greater than or equal to 1 inside the curly brackets. And what we get from this is a spherical shell from radius root 2 to 2, and the set restriction cuts out the inside, as you can see here, of the cylinder r is less than 1. And so as I rotate it, you can see the cylindrical hole running through the shell along the z-axis. Lastly, for part 3 of the tech demo, we're asked for the UV region that matched the square with corners negative 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, negative 1 in the xy plane. And so after solving x equals u plus v over 2, y equals u minus v over 2, for uv, I got that u equals x plus y and v equals x minus y. And that square in xy corresponds to the axis aligned box. Absolute value of u is less than or equal to 1, and the absolute value of v is less than or equal to 1. And so here we can see that in it's in the z equals 0 plane. And I'll turn off these two so you can see. There we go with our square. And zoom in a little bit and we can see we have negative 1 here on the left and positive 1 here. And then on our y-axis we have negative 1 and positive 1. And so with everything turned on and zoomed out, this is what our final Tech Demo 3 looks like. Thank you.